Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Lake Oswego, but today we are on the river. Riverfront property, new constructions by Renaissance Home. You have even a place for your personal boat, maybe a few more toys on the dock over here. Guys, this property is amazing. The landscaping is just incredible. As I mentioned, it's a new constructions by Renaissance. It has 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom, a little bit more than 4,000 square feet, and it's listed just for 3.9 million. That's it. Today we are starting from the back of the house because I think this part deserves it. Just look at this. Easy access to the lake. Just hop on your boat, on your jet ski, and go on a tour on the lake. That's amazing. Great and big space to entertain, play with kids, grandkids. On the side of the house as well, more place to play. Covered patio for rainy days, cold days. You have the heatings over here, fireplace, of course, fan, and you have a barbecue on the side here. Kind of like on the side. Also, it's closed, so you have a bit more privacy, and a bit on the side so that the smoke not gonna bother no one. Let's go check in the inside, guys. I will just give you one last peek at your backyard view. This is amazing, unbelievable. And 3.9 million for new construction on the lake. Guys, this is a joke. Let's go inside now. Okay, we are in. I had to stop the video and do it again because to put the shoe covers, you want to be respectful for the sellers and also for the new homeowners that are going to purchase this house. Now, again, we came in from the back, so we're already walking into the dining area, the kitchen, the living room. But as you can see, guys, like nothing can beat this view. Imagine having here like a dinner or brunch or something, and this is your view. You can see the lake, your backyard, everything is really open and spaced, high ceilings, beautiful and big living area. I must say this is obviously the nicest view of a house, of a video tour that I did in Lake Oswego for sure. Big open concept kitchen, huge island, lots of place to entertain, hidden fridge over there, a bar, wine fridge, of course. Really nice cabinets and tiles, everything is matching together. High-end kitchen appliances, you have double oven. That is just amazing. And if you do barbecue, you have easy exit and entrance over there. If you need something, pretty easy and accessible. So here is your actual pantry. Now look how much storage do you have over here and over here. You can make it your coffee nook area for the morning. Lots of storage. Your mudroom as well. And going here to the garage. A good 3-car garage over here. Very nice, deep garage. You can put 3 cars, maybe 2, and put it here as a storage area. Guys, thank you so much for watching up until now. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite part of this house so far. And of course, if you want to see the house in person and you want a private tour, reach out to me and I will make sure to show you this house. Let's go up first, and then we're gonna see the rest of the downstairs as we're gonna head to the front of the house. You have a wide staircase, which is pretty nice, really nice hardwood floors. Let's go to the primary first, and then we're gonna go to the other side. Big primary, lots of natural light facing the lake. Obviously, you have this amazing view, and you have also a private balcony for the primary bedroom, which is amazing. Heading into the primary bathroom, this is like a dedicated spa. This is like so crazy and nice designed, lots of space, dedicated place to get ready, put the makeup, do the hair, everything that needed, walk-in shower, and your tub is facing the lake as well, so you can take a shower and have a nice view. Very big primary bathroom, lots of cabinets, storage place, private space for your toilet, and this cabinet is crazy. Look how big, how much place for shoes you have here. This is a dream basically. This is a dream over here. Big mirror. Now to see the rest of the house, also they have a big bonus room over here, and this is a full bedroom on the main floor. I will show you as well. One bedroom here, walk-in closet. Over here is the laundry room. Well, nice designed. Full bathroom. Again, lots of storage place. Big closet over here. Another big closet over here. Over here, another big room. Walk-in closet. And another full bathroom. Very nice. Lots of privacy for the person that's gonna live in this room. Besides the kitchen, they have everything. One more here. Big closet space. Big room and another full bathroom in the bedroom. That's a big luxury to have. And in the end over here is a big bonus area. You can make it a playroom, whatever. You have a sink, you have a wine fridge, lots of cabinets. You can make it an entertainment place, game room, whatever you feel like. Now let's head downstairs so I can show you the rest of the house. Big hallway, obviously. It's a very nice house as well. On the right here, half bath. That's a nice decoration. And over here, it's office slash bedroom, full bathroom you have in here. Tons of natural light, all the built-ins, which is amazing. Look at that, a lot of natural light, high ceilings, walk-in closet, and another full bathroom. This is very nice. Guys, thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see this house in person, obviously reach out to me. We can schedule a tour. And thank you so much. And I will see you on the next video.